Yo, all the new and working codes in Grow a Garden. You can actually grow a garden right now and redeem every single one of these codes. We can pretty much get a bunch of free seeds. As you guys can see, we got so many seeds. I can't even count these seeds. There's so many. Okay, we got basic seed packs. We got bamboo seeds, super seeds. There's a super seed in my inventory, and there's also a amber lily as well. Wait, where is the amber lily? Lilac lily, pink lily, heaven lilac, amber lily seed. There's so many codes in Grow a Garden which you can actually redeem right now, and we're actually going to redeem every single one of these codes inside of Grow a Garden. Be sure to actually like and subscribe if you want a super seed. If you do actually want a super seed, be sure to like and subscribe. But first, I need to check on the anti-bee. Should I open it right now or should I keep it? We do need another bee. We actually do need more bees before the new bee event, because there is going to be a new bee event and you pretty much get new bees when the new bee event drops. So let's actually go ahead and redeem all these codes in Grow a Garden, which you can actually access in your menu right now. You can redeem these codes right over here. The first code, it is going to be Grow a Den. Grow a Den, okay? Grow a Den. Grow Squidward. Tom and Jerry. Garden. Grow a Garden. This is the first code that you actually want to redeem in Grow a Garden. It is the Grow a Garden code. This is a upcoming code, so be sure to actually expect this code to drop anytime soon, in a week or so. Or the crafting update. Bussy. Wait, what is that? Is there a new event? Craft Summer 2025. Summer 2025. Grow a Garden Summer 2025 code. Upcoming code as well. This one will drop at the summer update, so be sure to play in the summer update right now. Working bees code. This code actually gives you a basic sprinkler, so actually redeem this code for a free basic sprinkler. But if you do want a super seed, comment down below super. Comment down below super if you do want a super seed. Anyways, these are all the working codes in Grow a Garden. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Like the video and subscribe. Make sure you follow other videos for more exciting codes.